India's magnificent coastline comprises of 72 coastal districts, which is 12% of India's landmass and home to 18% of India's population. There are multiple challenges that need to be addressed and at the same time substantial opportunities that need to be captured as far as coastal communities are concerned. This is what the Sagarmala program is doing. To ensure coastal communities reap the benefits of the Sagarmala program, youth are being trained under Deen Dayal Upadhyay Grameen Kaushal Yojana, Sagarmala Convergence Program to meet the emerging needs of the port and maritime sector. A specialized multi-skilled development center for port and maritime logistics has been set up at Udaan, near Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, Mumbai and Chennai, to provide specialized, skilled manpower to the ports. Shipbuilding and ship repair is an important activity for which a state-of-the-art center of excellence in maritime and shipbuilding has been set up at Visakhapatnam with another campus at Mumbai. It has been jointly set up by Ministry of Shipping in collaboration with private sector and is one of its kind in Asia. This center will provide high-end employable engineering and technical skills in the ship design, manufacturing operation and maintenance, repair and overhaul, and Industry 4.0. Innovation and use of the latest technology in port and maritime operations is necessary for growth of the sector. To ensure availability of upgraded technology, a National Technology Center for Ports, Waterways and Coasts has been set up at IIT Madras. It provides for development and use of indigenous technologies in the field of dredging, siltation, breakwaters and hydrodynamics, etc. Another similar center for design of ships for inland waterways and coasts and indigenous technology for inland and coastal shipping, Center for Inland and Coastal Maritime Technology, CICMT, is being developed at IIT Kharagpur. Meeting about 5% of the country's steel requirement every year, Alang in Bhavnagar, Gujarat, is the home of biggest shipbreaking yard in the world. In collaboration with Gujarat Maritime Board, skills training in occupational safety and health is being conducted to ensure 100% skilled manpower to all shipbreaking yards. This has drastically reduced the number of accidents and casualties and resulted in safe and healthy working environment. Indian coastline is home to 3.9 million fishermen. Ministry of Shipping in collaboration with the Department of Fisheries is developing multiple modern fishing harbors for deep-sea fishing, value addition in fisheries, aquaculture and cold chain development. 10 cruise tourism circuits are also being developed across the country. Tourism has always been the highest rate of employment multiplier. The development of the cruise infrastructure and lighthouses will go hand in hand with the socio-economic development of coastal communities in India. It will not only unlock India as a tourist destination, but will also harness the employment opportunities for the community. The potential of jobs like service providers, caterers, travel agents, local stalls, and other intermediaries will be unleashed that will create a significant economic impact. The development of infrastructure, skills and participation of coastal community in it is leading to a sea of change in the life of coastal communities and marching India towards port-led prosperity.